Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best couch cover for a 3-seat sofa, the easygoing reversible couch cover. This product is designed to protect your furniture while offering style and practicality all in one. The easygoing reversible couch cover is crafted from thick, high-quality microfiber with an elegant quilted texture. This not only adds a touch of sophistication to your living space but also ensures durability and comfort. One of the standout features is its water-resistant fabric, which provides excellent protection against spills, stains, and everyday wear and tear, making it ideal for homes with pets and children. Sizing is crucial when it comes to slipcovers, and this cover fits sofas with a seat width of about 66 inches. Before purchasing, measuring your couch is recommended to ensure the perfect fit. What's impressive is the thoughtful design that prevents the cover from slipping or shifting during use. It comes with elastic straps that secure it tightly to your couch, and foam sticks tuck into the crevices of your sofa, keeping the fabric neatly in place. This means no constant adjustments or annoying bunching up of the cover. Another benefit is its reversibility. With two color options, brown and beige, you get versatility and styling. Whether you want a change of scenery or a cover that matches different decors, flipping it around offers a fresh new look without having to buy another cover. When it comes to maintenance, this cover is machine washable, allowing for easy cleaning. It is advised to wash it at around 30 degrees Celsius using mild detergents, and avoid bleach to keep the fabric looking new and vibrant for longer. Its lightweight construction, weighing just under 3 pounds, makes handling and washing hassle-free. Installation is simple, with elastic flaps and straps that help the cover stay snug on your sofa. This ease of use makes it accessible for anyone, even those who aren't handy with furniture accessories. It's also designed to accommodate daily life demands, acting as a protective shield that keeps your sofa safe from dirt, pet hair, and scratches. Additionally, the easygoing reversible couch cover carries an environmental credential. It is certified with OEKO Tech Standard 100, meaning it is made with chemicals that are safer for human health and the environment. A great plus for eco-conscious shoppers. Overall, the easygoing reversible couch cover balances protection, style, and convenience beautifully. It's a reliable and practical solution to keep your couch looking fresh and clean while offering a reversible design for aesthetic flexibility. If you want a slipcover that stays put, resists water, and is easy to maintain, this one definitely deserves your attention. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this overview and want to see more honest product reviews, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you next time.